Hello, classroom teachers and instructional leaders. Have you ever heard the term personalized learning? It's a customizable approach to education that leverages the role of technology, student-teacher relationships, and the strengths, needs, skills, and interests of each student. Region 13 is proud to offer the personalized classroom, setting a strong foundation for blended learning. This asynchronous course is designed to support busy educators in making small shifts toward a personalized classroom at their own pace. Let's take a tour. The heartbeat of the course is the implementation continuum. Developed in partnership with the Charles Butt Foundation, this framework is key to understanding what the 5 pillars of blended and personalized learning look and feel like in the classroom. Through the lens of the continuum, you'll delve deeper into reflections of blended and personalized learning pedagogy with the virtual station rotation module. You'll learn how blended learning can be applied in your classroom through a playlist, including activities like integrating screencasts, improving relationships with students, and reflecting on current classroom structures. And for the grand finale, your choice. You'll either explore and reflect using a curated collection of resources or design something you can use in your classroom right away. Interested in getting a badge for your email signature, LinkedIn, or social profiles? Submit an additional classroom artifact after you've implemented something you learned. Finally, we've provided a free PLC course companion guide so that you have the option of taking the course individually or with a team. Register today to begin your own blended and personalized learning journey.